Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and if you're looking to get a really fun reaction out of your pets, then you have to wear these cat paw slippers from SINNO. These are a super fun pair of slippers, and they're practical for around the house and comfortable as well. These are a true to size. I ordered a size 8 and that's exactly what they feel like. They stay on when you're walking around. They have really nice plush cotton lining and it really makes it nice and comfortable to wear these slippers. The bottom is that slip-free design, so you can wear these inside or out. And they advertise that these are quiet on the inside of the house. I would say that's definitely true because when you're walking around the house, they're nice and quiet. The funnest part, of course, is that paw design. You can see that it has the beautiful stitching on there. They're nice and furry and fuzzy looking. We really get a kick out of my cat every time she sees these slippers because I'm wondering, what is she thinking with the human wearing the cat paws? But whatever your pets are thinking, your feet are going to stay nice and warm and cozy, and you'll be really feeling really cute with these awesome cat paw slippers. And that's my point of view.